busy week in court for the three people charged in connection to the death of 11-year-old Jackelyn Mimi Torres-Garcia.
Her aunt, Jackelyn Garcia, appeared in court today. Her mom, Karla Garcia's case was heard, but was not in the courtroom. Mimi's remains were found in a storage container in Britain in October. The cases for both women continue to next month.
Meanwhile, a judge is still deciding on the case against Karla Garcia's boyfriend. NBC Connecticut's Melissa Cooney has been following this case for us. She joins us live now from Torrington with the very latest. Melissa?
Yeah, while the outcome of Jonatan Nanita's probable cause hearing is pending for the next 2 weeks, today we're taking a closer look at 2 of the 10 witnesses the state brought forth to testify. The state says the Department of Children and Families worker was investigating one of Jackelyn Mimi Torres-Garcia's sisters last winter following a complaint. That worker took the stand during Nanita's hearing on Thursday.
There was no specific regulation or anything that you had to put eyes on Jackelyn, the oldest daughter, before you close out your investigation, correct?
Correct. She wasn't the child identified in either report that we received.
But did you want to put eyes on Jackelyn before you close out your case?
Yes, I was persistently asking when she was returning to the home throughout my investigation.
The worker testified that Mimi's mother, Karla Garcia, told her Mimi was staying with a family member in Virginia and kept pushing back her return date. Eventually, the worker got the contact of the so-called family member and a video call took place. NBC Connecticut obtained audio through a judicial system request of a woman who says she impersonated Mimi on that call. She didn't want to be identified on video.
I agreed to do it because my aunt had told me that her kids were going to get taken away from DCF, and that she came crying. She was upset that her kids were going to get taken away, and they just begged me to do the video call, and I was just feeling bad, so I did it.
Unbeknownst to the DCF worker, this 22-year-old witness did the video call from her aunt's home in East Hartford. According to testimony, none of them knew Mimi had been dead for months.
She asked me, how was school? How was I doing in school? I told her, oh, I'm doing really well. Grades are good, stuff like that. And then she was like asking me about the lifestyle out there. I told her I had friends, and I just lied.
Did you close out your investigation shortly thereafter?
Yes.
The witness says she learned about Mimi's death through the media in October. She said she had a FaceTime call with Karla to discuss the matter.
She had told me that Jonatan had killed Mimi, and he threatened to kill her, Karla, and the other children if she would have said something.
And in a statement, DCF told us that the social worker was not disciplined, and unfortunately, as everyone learned later, Mimi was already dead during that call, which was fabricated on the side of Karla Garcia's. Now, they also say they can't comment further due to pending litigation. For now, we're live in Torrington. Melissa Cooney, NBC Connecticut News.